Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix your data has already been transferred to a different device in Pokemon Champions game. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. Now before performing any of the fixes, let me tell you that you get this error only when you try to play the game on two different devices or on multiple devices. So let's begin with the fixes. Fix 1. Uninstall and reinstall Pokemon Champions only on one device. Now let me tell you that you can only have Pokemon Champions on one mobile device. So simply uninstall and install again on whatever platform you want to play again. And then it will let you do it. You will just have to do the same thing again if you want to play in a different mobile device, whether it is Android or iOS devices such as iPhone or iPad. Now please take important note over here. You can't log out to log in into another device. You would have to fully uninstall the game and download again to get on the account connect page. Only one mobile device can have a home or champions account linked at a time. You can delete and reinstall the app on the device you want to use. So simply uninstall Pokemon Champions from both the device and then reinstall Pokemon Champions only on one device, and then you can log in back and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to clear the app data, but please take a note, you will lose save game progress and you have to start everything from the scratch. So tap and hold the Pokemon Champions app icon, then click on app info, go to storage usage, tap on clear data. Now make sure that clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if you agree, only then tap on delete to confirm it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve your data has already been transferred to a different device error in Pokemon Champions game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.